Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, the participant of tutorial online Universitas Terbuka. Today we comes to 6th week. So in this week we will continue the discussions, and this week we will learn how to write an application letters or cover letters. In Bahasa Indonesia, an application letter defines as surat lamaran pekerjaan. And another one, we will learn and discuss how to write reported speech. Well, the first things, we will learn the generic structures of application letter. You can see on your slide here, the text in red color is that part of application letter. The first things on writing application letters is that heading or the recipient of your letter. So you can write on here the name and the address of the recipient. Don't forget to write down about the date of your application letters. And then comes after the date is that salutations. And then don't forget in introductions, you should mention from where you took the advertisement on job application or job vacancy. So after introductions, you can see is the body or content. In this part, you can tell to the recipient about your educational background and your professional experience. It means your working experience. If you do not have working experience, you can tell to the recipient that you are a fresh graduate of a university. And please tell about your experience when you got in your college. Another one, after body or content, please mention about your motivations, how to apply to this university. And not only that, you can also tell about your qualifications or your competency, that why the company should choose you. And then in the last sessions, in conclusions, in closing, you can put your name and also the closing. This is the organizations of application letters. And another one, we will learn and discuss how to write reported speech. The main features of reported speech is that you can use the word said that. So it means that this you should just simple past here. So I know quite a lot of people, and then you can change into he knew quite a lot of people. So don't forget to write down he said that, and it is meant as a indirect speech, direct and indirect speech. So this one, the same one with indirect speech. You can reading by yourself more in this slide. And don't forget to do the discussion and keep active during the session. See you again next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.